Data is the oxygen of retail. Retail has never been short of data, but retailers have not been able to maximize the value of this data. Fragmented data and a lack of understanding customer behavior and expectations are common roadblocks for delivering exceptional customer experience. Using analytics on top of retail data has the potential to unlock how retailers can improve personalized, omni-channel campaigns that engage potential and existing customers across their buying journey. Combining the amass retail lifecycle data including customer data, operations data, sourcing and supplier data as well as transaction data with analytics reduces churn, enhances loyalty, advances customer journeys, enables the ability to conduct contextual marketing, and provide insights across the enterprise to holistically drive growth across the organization. By combining the power of Azure Synapse Analytics with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, our fictional retailer, Wide World Importers, brings customer data from LOB applications like Adobe, Dynamics, and Salesforce and operational data from SAP HANA, Oracle, and Teradata together in one place, enriches it, and unifies it to gain a 360-degree view of the customer and intelligent insights around an untapped market segment. These insights are then visualized in Power BI and activated across the organization to enable business stakeholders to accelerate time to value. Azure Synapse is an end-to-end analytics platform which combines SQL data warehousing, big data analytics and data integration into a single integrated environment. The combined power of Azure Synapse and Dynamics 365 Customer Insights provides enterprises with a means to manage, analyze and share data in a single repository and common data model. The business outcomes we are driving for retailers. Bring all disparate data sources together. Enrich and unify the data estate. Gain a 360-degree customer view. Provide a single source of truth that can be shared across the enterprise. Better collaboration amongst data users. Action intelligent insights. This results into improved sales and service. Insight about every customer. Improved inventory management. Product recommendation engine. Upgraded product placement schemes. Location and weather-based production. Stock alignment. Successful sales and marketing campaigns. Data analyst or business analyst uses customer insights to map, match, and merge customer data to create unified customer profiles. Data engineer uses Synapse to ingest, transform and load operational data and unstructured data to Synapse. Effective implementation of this module gives probably 15% increase in sales conversion rate and 10% in customer satisfaction. For more details visit us at click2cloud.net. Thank you.